There you go, peoples. I've just changed all the filters on my RO system, and when I bought it, come with this thing called a pie filter. I replaced it just with a remineralizer, a bit cheaper. When I first bought this, it was about 150 bucks. And now they want 250 for it, so I think they're dreaming. But anyway, zoom in here if we can. So it says it's got ORP ceramic ball, catalytic carbon, tourmaline ceramic ball, alkaline ceramic ball, far infrared ceramic ball, and MG granular. So it's supposed to make the water a bit more alkaline and add some minerals back in after the RO sucked it all out. It's got these quick connect fittings and shit. So we're going to take her apart, cut her open, see what's inside. Anyway, I've only got one hand here, but basically this end screws off. And you got a cartridge inside. Just connects in like that. So we'll get the camera, get a close look. Basically you can see all the layers of stuff in there. She's been plastic welded on, so we're gonna have to cut her off. So put the camera down again and get into it with a hacksaw. So what she's got inside there. Rightio. So the first layer is like a filter, stop all the crap coming into your water line. We've got a fucking sponge of some sort, another filter, and some granular looking sand shit. Tip that out. Doesn't want to come out easy, but it's made quite well, I think. Righto. So, cut a long video short. Basically, we got these grey balls, which are your warp. Then you got a couple of big magnets in here. Doesn't say nothing about magnets. Don't know if they do jack shit. Got these filter pads. Just separating all the sections, I'd say. These white ones, I think are beats me, but if you believe in this stuff to work, well, I don't know. No sort of scientific way of testing it on my end, but I'll probably just chuck this stuff in the garden. The new filter I've got, it's just a calcite one, acidic filter, so I figure calcite's gonna lower the pH, raise the pH a bit and add some minerals in, and I don't know. These granular balls might do the same thing, but no real changes, health changes or anything with myself, so wouldn't with this water. Is it worth the... Well, it was a decent package deal with the when I first bought the kit, but to buy it at $150, probably not too bad, but every 2 years, but $250, nah, you're dreaming. I think I got the calcite remineralizer Omni Pure one. Well, that cost me about $40, so heaps cheaper, and I reckon it'll do the same bloody thing. Alright, thanks guys.